Prison Ship, Spaceship, Chapter 3. Purity crystals. Purity is the essence of life. Life is the essence of purity. Now that's corny, but what is not corny is the story of Adam and Eve. You see, I know you have probably heard the story, but again, only half the story usually gets told. So I could be wrong, but I'm going to try and tell the other half, if that's okay with you. If it's not, and you do not want to read, then I recommend dropping this book right now and return it or burn it to smoke or leave it to catch dust over the years. You can even soak it underwater or bury it underground, so for no one will ever find it. Don't say I didn't warn you. I must be playing. I'm just playing, y'all. It's not that serious. And it's not spiritual or magic. It's just life shit, you know? Oh, and P.S. Be nice to mankind. Don't lock it up. Or be nice to plant life. Don't lock it up or out. And be nice to the beasts of the land, the fowl of the air, and the crawly and maybe creepy things of the dirt. I may be racist to certain letters, but for some reason I want to say beware of C words and P words. They may be there to confuse you, or maybe not. Who knows? Candy is good though. Go figure. A great man once told me that the most destructive force in the universe is sugar, and I would opt to believe you. Sugar can get you high, and if you get high, you may never get down. Disregarding the old legend that states what comes up must come down. As I am writing this, I just want to mention that I got a tingle in the inside of my right knee. Kind of scary. Aha. Not as scary as Mother Mary. I did meet her in a waking dream, and she is the scariest woman, thing, or life form I have yet to come across. Even scarier than a little girl with no face, swinging on a swing, singing 1, 2, Freddy's coming for you, 3, 4, better lock the door, 5, 6, a crucifix, 7, 8, he'll lay you straight, 9, 10, he'll attack again. I actually have met the boogeyman, though not scary to me, a healthy, strong man. I could see the fear he could put into other women and children. He is all one species that represents another species, and once you cross a species barrier, mutations start to happen. So I wonder who was the first mutated species, and why do they say AIDS, HIV comes from gorillas? I am sure I leave it at that. A blue whale is the biggest creature in the ocean, and I have some blue inhale the ocean. When I was end up, because I don't think it belongs there, or does it? I don't know. I can't call it. Haha. However, I am somewhat aware of what God goes on in live birth, since I can somewhat remember my own, though that might be a lie, or isn't it the truth? I have been fascinated and been studying what goes on in a reptile egg, because for some reason, once they're hatched, they're ready to go. No assistance necessary, which begs the question, if birds evolved from dinosaurs, then aren't the birds ready to fly and go from there? The start, aren't they a hybrid, perhaps of a mammal and reptile? Because don't be scared of them. I am a reptilian, not for myself, but for our human race. End of chapter 3. Haha.